2014 GMC Savana getting shipped out. It is June 28, 2023. The transporter is on the way to pick it up. You use this key fob to open everything. Everything is working and operating exactly the way it's supposed to. Just want to make sure you can see how it's working and how to use it. You can use this, or there are switches on the dash. I'm going to show you how to use that. Click the up button. In, show you again. Deploy opens everything. And stow will put it away. Okay. There's also a remote inside there. There's two of these fobs. Everything is here. As you can see, the condition of everything before it gets shipped. Try to make sure you can see everything before it gets out of here. There's a handheld remote there that you can operate from inside here. Everything's here. It's all there. It's ready to go for you. Here you have your tie downs. Extra seat belts, jack, a bunch of manuals. Everything's in these bags here that goes along with the van. Should be good to go. Check these lifts several times. Now, if you don't use a lift from time to time, they can hang up a little bit. If you haven't used it in a while, sometimes you just give it a little push on the post here. This one here by the sticker where it says 600 pounds, give it a little push. Just a little trick sometimes if it ever gets hung up on you. This one's working, obviously, there's no problems right now. But if you ever do have an issue, just so you know, it's a little tip for you. These switches also operate the wheelchair lift. Deploy and stow. Okay. As you can see, there are no warning lights on. The mileage is sitting at 55,010. It's all ready to go. This is your head unit. Just click OK. You got your navigation system. If you want to go to the main menu, just go to menu and you're good to go. This is for your interior lights. Those are all on, as you can see. Really pretty blue LEDs inside. And you're ready to rock. Just let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help anytime. Here is the remote control for the TV. It's behind the passenger seat here. Everything else is here. Good to go. Don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. She's getting out of here. Thank you.